What's up, my guys and lullabies? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Maya, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. You guys, today is a good day. It actually has been snowing all yesterday, and so today we just got like the aftermath of everything. It's very snowy outside. It's very like wet, all that good stuff. So I just been inside doing what I gotta do. And right now, you guys, in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and get to cleaning up this house, because y'all know me, I'm a sucker for making sure everything is tidy up in this house, because I do have 3 girls. If you guys don't know, 3 girls, and you guys, they also went out in the snow today and played. Like, they had a blast. You guys, it has been snowing literally non-stop since this morning. Okay, there is a lot of snow. Even the house has like a lot of icicles, but there's a lot of snow on the ground for Charlotte, you know what I mean? Y'all, this is so crazy. And people are really trying to get through the snow and everything, like just driving slow and getting to where they gotta go. And I don't blame them. But look at the car. Dang. But I'm definitely not going to really let them go back out there, because I can't risk anybody getting sick, okay? And for you moms out there, I'm pretty sure you guys understand where I'm coming from. So yeah, like, we don't need the kids getting sick. Not over here. Oh, no, ma'am. So I'm trying to make sure it stays warm in here, and make sure that they have like socks and stuff on, you know. And so right now, I'm about to go ahead and get in here and do these dishes and just continue to clean up. If you guys haven't watched my last vlog, please make sure you pause this one, go watch that one, then come back to this one, because your girl has been posting y'all consistently. And I'm pretty sure y'all can see that, okay? It's a snowstorm, so why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not keep working, keep going through content? Just keep putting out content, you guys, because that's what you guys are here for, and I want to give you guys exactly what you're here for. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and leave your comment down below and let me know what you think, you guys, because yeah, we're going up over here all 2026, and I'm ready for it. Are you guys ready? Let's get right into the video.
I've been knowing you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word, had no time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby, do it right, do me right. We can go over time, we can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, it could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me, let's collide.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamond, head for the rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description Look so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah.
All right, you guys, so now that I finished the kitchen, now I'm about to go ahead and get these girls ready for their bath time. Go ahead and pick out their clothes and just get ready for bath time right now. So y'all, I've been trying to put their clothes like up, like where, you know, like if they're not wearing it, and if it's like a summer shirt or something like that, I'll put them up like in those Food Line bags and stuff that I have, like the actual bag from Food Line, not the plastic bag, but the other bag. And I've been putting their stuff up because, you know, it's just a way for me to like keep up with their stuff, because they got some new stuff and they got some old stuff. And of course, the old stuff I want them to wear sometimes, you know, when they're just home. And with the new stuff, of course, I want to try to keep it as new as possible. So usually I would put those up. But yeah, y'all, I've been just trying to work and get this dang on laundry done, because the laundry needs to be done. It needs to be folded. I start to wash clothes, and then when it's time to fold them, don't want to fold them. So that's what I have to work on, so that I don't have to worry about it later. But how you guys been in the comment section down below? Let me know how y'all have been. What has been some of the obstacles you had to face so far this year, or if there are any obstacles, what are you guys up to this year? I want to know. Let me know down below, because I need y'all to comment and, you know, feedback, like all that good stuff, because I want to engage with you all and I want to talk to you all, and I be responding to y'all's comments. So if you comment and you just let me know how your guys' week and year has been so far, I will definitely comment back, okay? So yeah, keep that in mind. Your girl loves to comment back to the people, okay? I love to comment back to the people. And you just gotta comment. So I'm just getting their clothes that they're gonna be wearing for tonight. After their bath and everything, I'm just getting all that type of stuff together right now. I need some pants for Twyla, so hold on. These can be pants for Amayas. Them girls be arguing with each other. Comment down below if y'all have daughters and they be arguing all the time, because mine, They won't stop arguing with each other. They won't start calling each other names and stuff. Then they call themselves playing WWE. I'm like, we're not doing that in this house. We're not playing WWE. No, ma'am. Okay? I used to play that when I was in the 4th grade. Y'all playing it when y'all in kindergarten? In 1st grade and 2nd grade? No. No, y'all need to calm down. Y'all need to pipe down just a little bit. Pipe down. So, yeah, I'm about to be putting some of these clothes up in a bag that I know that they're not wearing. Because this stuff that I'm washing is irrelevant. For real. This stuff that I'm washing is irrelevant. I'm going to hang this back up. But this other stuff, some of this stuff is irrelevant. And I shouldn't be washing it. I should only be washing this other stuff. They be pulling stuff out of places. That's why I find myself washing way more. Because they pulling stuff out. So I'm just in here trying to get some of these clothes together. Okay, y'all, so I got all of their clothes ready for a bath time. And so now it's time to go get them washed up and make sure they're lotioned up and stuff like that and feel good so they can have a good night's sleep. And then I'm going to get myself together and ready for bed. And then I think after that, I might clean up a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do because there's nothing else to do, okay? I'm going to make sure I get all these clothes and stuff off the bed. And then I'm going to clean up in there and then come back in here and just straighten up because it's okay in here. But I'm going to make sure that the island and stuff is clean off in there. So, yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me in today's video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. You guys, until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out.